Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody's here, and today we are going to discover this new backpack from Lenovo. I'm very addicted to backpacks, my friends. I just can't get rid of this habit. Whenever I see a gorgeous, good looking, slim, stylish backpack, I just buy it right away, and I will discover this one from and I will discover this new one from Lenovo with all of you my friends, so let's just get into it. I like any shit from Lenovo, my friends. So I like the handle as well. It's not rubber, it just can't get ruined like the ones before. Oh, check the color. It's orange from inside. Okay. As you can see, it's just minimalistic. It has a really nice color inside. Pockets here, deep ones, very deep, for your charger or mice or cables or whatever. It's very roomy from inside. You can put really a hefty laptop inside and some tablets as well. And this pocket is really for your ultrabook or tablet. So I will be putting my laptop inside, and here I will be putting the extra stuff, my hard drives and cameras and you name it, just anything. Nice color and nice material. It's very lightweight. Lenovo on it. That was it my friends, thank you so much for watching. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.